So I know a lot of you guys in my stream are mobile players. So I did some digging and found something that I think you guys would be interested in. This is the BackBone 1. One of two different versions. This is the PlayStation edition. Unboxing this thing was actually pretty simple. It really wasn't that much inside. You have your top main things, your adapter if you want to go to the iPhone 13 Pro Max Plus. You also have a quick start guide and a user manual that you and I both know we will never read. The design is actually flawless to me and it's super lightweight, weighing in at 138 grams. The bottom carries a lightning port adapter for you charging your phone along with a 3.5 headphone jack. Now the design replicates a PlayStation 5 controller. Personally, I love how the buttons are nice and punchy, how the analogs are nice and smooth. Please don't be dumb and actually compare this to a PS5 controller. Now the models that I've tested were the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which both required the BackBone app in order for the device to function. Now please note that the PlayStation version is iPhone only. The black version of the BackBone 1 is both Android and iPhone, so make sure you know that. The setup process is pretty self-explanatory. You even get a free 30 days of that BackBone Plus subscription service. One of my favorite features is the fact that you can record gameplay at 1080p at 30 frames per second straight from your phone by pressing the button right under your analog. They give you a list of content creators they think you know, including Burleezy, whose phone I'm gonna blow up until he answers my friend request. The device supports Steam Link, PlayStation, and Xbox Remote Play, so you can play your games wirelessly through the internet while you're gone from home. So I spent about a good 7.5 hours running through the game menus, noticing that they have live chats for people who don't have friends, casting a game of 2K on a big screen, even trying out Miles, which is my favorite game of 2021, on this device straight from my PlayStation 5. And you guys already know that I'm quick to slander a product if it is not good, but this is one of the best mobile experiences that I've ever had in my life. Ultimate support for your favorite mobile games, free Xbox Game Pass Ultimate free for 90 days, Discord Nitro for free for 30 days. Man, tons of perks. Go get one, cuz.